Hi, I'm Luke at Phocas Software. If you're looking for a BI or financial planning and analysis tool, you might worry that it could take months to get up and running, or that onboarding comes with unexpected costs like consultant fees or hiring dedicated resources. And that's if it ever gets off the ground at all. With Phocas, you'll be up and running in no time. A dedicated adoption expert will partner with you to deliver your project as quickly as possible. We also have out-of-the-box, customizable solutions for leading ERP systems, which speeds things up even more. Although every project is unique, let's take a quick look at how a typical implementation works at Phocas. In weeks 1 to 2, we start with a kickoff meeting where you'll meet your Phocas team. We'll review and confirm the project scope, the plan, and the timelines. Then, in weeks 2 to 4 is when your technical team will create your Phocas cloud environment and connect your data sources. In weeks 3 to 7, we'll carry out validation checks and tests and ask you to do the same to make sure everything is working as you'd expect. Once we receive your official sign-off, we'll introduce you to your customer success consultant. Set up all your databases and deliver your user training so everyone in your business feels confident in how to use Phocas. You'll have access to our people-centric Phocas support teams located in global offices. Plus, there's a lot of other support available to every customer to make sure you get the most out of our products. You can explore our Phocas Academy with video tutorials, access user documentation, and on-demand training webinars delivered each month through our Phocas user group training program. Within the Phocas platform itself, you can also access our handy quick start in-product guides designed to enable you to get hands-on with your data even faster. Phocas AI is another great resource if you're a brand new user. Simply ask it a question and it not only shows you the data, but also the steps it took to get there. And if all of that isn't enough, we're only a phone call or email away, with round-the-clock support available thanks to our global support team. Because Phocas is so easy to use, everyone in your business can adopt it quickly, regardless of how technical they are. And that's the reason why our adoption rates are consistently higher than our industry benchmarks. The good news is, as more people use Phocas across your business, it's not only great for delivering a return on investment, but also for building a data-driven culture, dissolving silos across your teams. Are you interested in hearing more about what Phocas can do for your business? Talk to our team or request a customized demo today.